what's up guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how can you apply the css to your html part. We have three types of css, okay? One is inline css, and another is internal css, and the last one that is external css. So let's first discuss about the inline css. So for that I will create a div right here, and inside this div I will write here h1, and I will write here please like this video, okay? And now I just opened it on my live server. Let me show you. Here you can see this please like this video. Now if I want to change the color of this this text, how can I do that? I can do that using inline css or internal css or external css. So let's see how can we do that. So for that, inside this h1, okay, I will write here style, and inside this double quote I will write color. Okay, we will discuss this property in details in the next video. For right now, just understand how to apply css, and I will just give it a color of red. Okay, now if I go to my browser, right here you can see the color of this has been this text has been changes to this red. Okay, so I hope you are understanding, and this is known as the inline css. But I can also use internal css, and I can just do it okay, using that internal css. So for that we have to go to our head, and inside this head we have to write style tag, and inside this style tag we have to just write here h1 for now, and I will write here color, and I will give the color to be red. Now if I'll go to the browser, you can see the same result. But guys, let me show you one thing, that this h1 is universally selected. If I will create another h1 outside this div also, like this, and if I write here heading outside the outside div, okay, div. Now if I will go to the browser, you can see this text is also getting the colored. Okay, so how can I just change this color? I can just change this color by using one thing. I write here div, and after that if I'll go to the browser, here you can see the color of only the first text is red. Why? Because you can see this is the parent, okay, and it is the child of this parent. So inside you can see we have the div, and inside the div we have this h1 tag. So for that reason the color is only applied to the h1 which is inside the div tag. But now if I write here h1, and if I write here color to be green, and after that if I go to my browser, here you can see the color of the second text has been becoming green. So actually we can access these elements, these two text, using two types of attributes, that is class and id, which we will discuss in the upcoming videos. But right now in this video my motive is to make you understand how can you just apply css to your files. So now let's discuss about the external css. So I'll just remove this style tag and all these things. Now for that we have to create another file, and here we have to write main.css. You can give any name to it, and just the extension must be .css, and just hit enter. Now you can see we have just another file, that is main.css. And now if I write here h1 and give it a color of yellow, and now if I will go to my browser, you can see there is no change. Why? Because we have to link this main.css to our index.html file. So for that, in the head tag we have to write link, and inside this link we have this href, and inside this href we have to just give the name of our file, okay, or you can see the file path name. Okay, so I write here main.css, just straight. Now if I go to my browser, now you can see the color has been yellow. So okay, I think you cannot see the color more clearly, so let me just change this color to blue. Now you can just visualize the color. So I hope guys you understand how can you apply CSS to your files. So thanks for watching this video guys, and guys if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe it and hit the bell icon and just like this video, and just access the playlist of this series guys. Just go to my channel and just click on this view for the list. Right here you can see this playlist. Just access this playlist from the description part. And the main thing there guys, please share this series as you can. So see you guys in the next video.